What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lay, and I'm back with another video. Excuse me, my hair is not done or whatever, but anywho, today's video is going to be me showing you all how to pluck a lace closure to give off a natural look. So I just wanted to come on here and show y'all the closure before, and then I'm also going to insert the after so y'all can see. But this is pretty much how, let me see, this is how the closure look before I go ahead and pluck and bleach the knots. This is a 4x4 lace closure from my hair collection, Lay Dolls Collection on Instagram. My website is laydollscollection.com. All that you can find in the description box, but the knots are not bleached on this closure just yet. I just wanted to come and show y'all before I get started. So this is how it look. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and get into the plucking, so stay tuned. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click that bell so you won't miss out on any videos, and be sure to like this video and leave a comment if y'all enjoy. And let's get into this video. Alright y'all, I am back. The knots are bleached. I don't OD on my bleaching of the knot, so it's lightly bleached, and I make sure that, you know, my customers understand. But I like plucking while their hair is wet, so I just went ahead and washed the bleach out, and I used the purple shampoo. So I'm going to turn the dome head to me really quick so I can go ahead and part off the closure. I like to part the frontal or the closure based off the part that the customer want, because this closure will be going on top of a custom unit that I already made. I'm just showing you guys how to pluck it. So I just like to go ahead and part off the part that they want, just because sometimes when I don't, I can OD on a pluck and then I'll get to the part and there'll be like a bald spot. So I go ahead and I do the part. It don't have to be as neat, but I would say definitely make the front part that as deep as you can, like, I mean as clean as you can. So I like to go maybe about 2 inches back. That's probably not even 2 inches, maybe like 1.5 inches back, and I like to go and make a part. So this part is what I'm going to start plucking, and then I'm going to make my way up to the front. So I just go ahead and comb that back. I like to be extra, so I'm going to go in and spray a little bit more water to make the hair like soaking wet, because it has been sitting here for a few minutes while I set up everything. So I'm just going to soak that, and then we're going to get straight into plucking. I'm going to turn this way. Yes. Cool. So, tweezers. I'm using this Revlon tweezer from Walmart. Excuse my broken nail. I'm using this Revlon tweezer from Walmart. I think it was maybe about, I want to say between $5 to $10. You want to hold your tweezer like this. You want that pointy part to be in the top. If it is at the bottom, you will poke a hole in your closure or your front tooth. So the angle, basically at an angle, pointy part should be at the top, flat part should be at the bottom. You're going to hold the tweezers. I'm right-handed, so I'm holding the tweezers like this. As far as technique and plucking, I go 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, pretty much. I don't like staying in the same spot. You don't want to stay in the same spot because you can ball it out. So I'm pretty much use my pinky finger to hold the hair back, or like my hand, to make it like a smooth process. I mean a smooth what's the word I'm trying to say, a smooth, I don't even know, whatever, I can't talk today. But anywho, I'm going to surface, that's what it is, a flat smooth surface. So I'm going to go 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then 1 2 3. The ends of the frontal is always going to be the ends of the closure is always going to be the thickest part, because I don't know, but that part is going to be cut off depending on if you're doing like a sew-in or whatever, most cases the part will be cut off. So all that hair, you're just gonna comb it, and just by doing that, this is how much hair I got out. Gonna throw that in the trash. Once you have that, can you even see a difference? Just now, the little areas is where I plucked. So you're just gonna go take another section, push that back, spray water as needed. I already did. And then we're gonna go in and do it again. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, whatever. If it's not 1 2 3, I just go in and like pluck it, y'all. But do not stay in the same spot. Do not. You will thin it out or bald it out. So y'all can see a difference already. Go ahead, comb that hair out, toss it in the trash. Move forward. I'm going to continue to pluck. The whole point of the pinky is to pretty much push the hairs that you're tweezing back so you can see how it's looking as you're plucking. I don't like to OD on the plucking. I just like to do enough to where it's natural, because once again, if you over pluck, that will basically determine how long your closure will last. This is going to be a closure used on a custom unit, so I want it to last for like a little minute before she have to get it switched out. So continue to go in and just lightly pluck, y'all. It's not hard. Once you get the technique, you're going to be like on go. But I highly recommend plucking your hair while it's wet, because you see how easy it's coming out, and also the quality of the hair matters. This lace closure is from my hair collection, so I have small knots on my closure, so it's easy to come out. Thick knots, you're gonna have a hard time plucking. Once you get to the front, you can just push that back. I'm gonna spray some hair because my fan is on, so it's making the hair dry. But spray some more water. Try to keep that part, you know, so you won't be over plucking on the wrong side. So once I got that and I'm in the front, I'm going to comb that back. She do want baby hairs. Wait, let me double check and see if she want baby hairs. So she do want baby hairs. So I'm not going to definitely in the front, because I'm going to be scooping some hair out for baby hairs. So I'm just going to go lightly, definitely right here, because this is a lot. So definitely right here, and then you're just going to go in with a light hand. I'm going to show you all how to do the baby hairs as well. So pretty much this is perfect. It's not too much, and voila, it is plucked. I don't do a lot on the ends, like I said, because most people will cut that off depending on if they're going to be gluing their unit down or not. So I'm just going to go in just a little bit, just in case she don't glue her unit down. Okay, that's better. So basically, this is plucked versus unplucked. Can y'all see the difference? So moving on to this side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Bulky right here, because remember my part is middle, so the hair is gonna fall basically like this. So this is how you pluck a closure to look natural. I am about to place it on the custom unit and show you guys how to do the baby hairs. So I always pluck the parts on my deep wave or like my deep curly hair. So I'm just gonna go in and show you all how I pluck my part, and then we'll be done. I'll show you all the end result. So plucking part, I just normally pull that one strand of hair that's like right there in the middle part. So you see how clean that is? So I'm just gonna pluck that one strand of hair. You have to be precise with this, y'all. If you know, move fast or whatever, you may make the part too wide. But for me, I just always clean the part up with like some hairspray or something. But I'll take my time.